Welcome back to Zoom Wheels. Introducing the 2026 Panama P57 Campervan, the compact pop-top motorhome designed for adventure seekers, weekend explorers, and everyday travelers. Built on the reliable and versatile Ford Transit custom platform, the P57 delivers a seamless blend of mobility, functionality, and comfort, making it a top choice in the compact camper segment. Under the hood, the P57 is powered by a 2.0-liter EcoBlue diesel engine, available in multiple power outputs from 130 to 170 horsepower. Whether you opt for the 6-speed manual gearbox or the smooth automatic transmission, you'll get responsive performance and excellent fuel economy, all while staying compliant with Euro 6.2 emissions standards. With front-wheel drive and tight turning capabilities, the P57 is incredibly easy to maneuver, ideal for both urban environments and narrow countryside lanes. Measuring just under 5 meters in length, the Panama P57 fits in most regular parking spots. But don't let its compact size fool you. This campervan has been intelligently designed to maximize every inch of interior space. At the center of the layout is a multifunctional lounge area with swivel cab seats, a folding dining table, and a 2-seat rear bench that transforms into a comfortable double bed. Above, the manual pop-top roof houses a second double bed, complete with a foam mattress, mosquito nets, and panoramic ventilation. Whether you're a couple or a small family, the P57 offers sleeping space for 4 without compromising mobility. The kitchen area is compact but cleverly equipped. It includes a dual-burner gas stove, a stainless steel sink with an integrated electric water pump, and a 50-liter compressor fridge with a freezer compartment. There's storage for cookware, utensils, and dry food essentials in upper and lower cabinets. A 50-liter fresh water tank and a 35-liter gray water tank support extended off-grid adventures. The interior benefits from efficient LED lighting, multiple USB charging points, and a central control panel to monitor battery status, water levels, and lighting functions. The P57 comes pre-wired for solar power, with an optional second leisure battery for longer trips. You can also opt for a diesel-powered air heater, ensuring warmth during cold nights or winter camping. Storage solutions are impressive for a van of this size. There's space under the rear bench, overhead lockers, and a large rear cargo area perfect for storing bicycles, outdoor gear, or extra luggage. You can even fold or remove the rear bench to create more space depending on your travel needs. The exterior is sleek and understated, available in multiple factory paint options. Accessories like a Thule wind-out awning, bike rack, and roof bars are available to expand your gear carrying capacity. The pop-top roof is thermally insulated, and optional blackout blinds ensure a cozy, restful environment. For safety, the Panama P57 benefits from Ford's latest driver assist technologies. These include lane keeping assist, adaptive cruise control, emergency braking, rear parking sensors, and a rear view camera for easier reversing. Built-in airbags, ABS, and electronic stability control come as standard, ensuring peace of mind wherever your journey takes you. What truly sets the P57 apart is its balance of day-to-day usability and weekend adventure readiness. Unlike larger motorhomes, this campervan can double as a daily vehicle, easy to drive, park, and live with. But when the open road calls, the P57 transforms into a fully capable mobile retreat. Whether you're wild camping by a mountain lake, touring coastal roads, or attending weekend festivals, the 2026 Panama P57 gives you freedom without limits. It's compact, customizable, and cleverly designed for modern nomads who crave flexibility and comfort in equal measure. Subscribe to Zoom Wheels for more in-depth reviews, van tours, and the latest in compact living innovations. With the Panama P57, your next adventure is always just around the corner.